So about the Godavari River, one of the most powerful, the mightiest rivers of India. Southern India का ये the largest river है, if compared with Krishna or Kaveri. And Godavari River is approximately about 10 to 13% of India's water. Brahmaputra and Ganga together make up almost 60% and slightly more than that. Brahmaputra being the highest in terms of the water amount. Godavari the highest of southern है. इसीलिए Godavari is also called as the Southern Ganga or Dakshin Ganga. Now, Godavari is having its source in the Western Ghats from near Nashik. Nashik के पास में you have Kalsubai Peak, and वहीं पास में you also have Trimbakeshwar Lake. Trimbakeshwar Lake is also a very important pilgrimage center. And don't confuse Trimbakeshwar Lake with Mahabaleshwar Lake. Mahabaleshwar river Krishna का source है. And Trimbakeshwar is the source of river Godavari. Originating from there, it starts to move eastwards and goes and drains in Bay of Bengal. And while draining into Bay of Bengal, एक major delta बनता है beyond Rajamandri. Rajamandri is one of the cities of Andhra Pradesh along the coast. It's a very large city. जैसे कुंभ मेला होता है हमारा प्रयागराज में, कुंभ मेला उज्जैन में होता है. सदर्न इंडिया गोदावरी में राजमंड्री पे वी हैव इम्पोर्टेंट कुंभ मेला. So beyond Rajamandri, it is the delta of Godavari, and this delta of Godavari merges with the Krishna's delta. Or Krishna ka delta is beyond Vijayawada. Wahin aspas you also have Amravati proposed as the new capital of Andhra Pradesh. So that is the Krishna Godavari delta. Then Godavari has three major tributaries. On the right hand side, we have right bank is called as Manjara River. Manjara is the largest right bank tributary. On the left hand side, we have two big tributaries. One is Penganga, other is Vainganga. And Penganga and Vainganga both meet and they become a common stream called as Pranhita. So देखा जाए पेनगंगा वेनगंगा अलग river नहीं बनकर they join together, and Pranhita becomes the larger tributary in the western side or the left bank tributary of Godavari. Now, you have this mountain range called as Balaghat range. Balaghat range एक escarpment है from the western Ghats, and the Balaghat separates the main Godavari from the Manjara river. Manjara river का बड़ा interesting course है. It goes southeastwards and takes a sharp bend and goes northwards eventually. It goes and joins Godavari not far from Nanded. Nanded एक important town है of Maharashtra. And this place called as Nizamabad is along Manjara. You also have Nizam Sagar Dam in the vicinity of this river.